Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today we're going to talk about amikacin. Amikacin is a very strong antibiotic used to fight serious bacterial infections. It is often prescribed to treat urinary tract infections, respiratory infections, and some abdominal infections. So how does it work? Amikacin kills bacteria by preventing them from making the proteins they need to grow and multiply. Now, let's talk about how it's taken. The dose, both the initial and the following ones, depends on the severity of the infection and the patient's health. Amikacin is usually given intravenously or intramuscularly every 8 to 12 hours. It is very important to follow your doctor's instructions very carefully. Like all medications, amikacin can have side effects. Some of the most common are nausea, vomiting, and skin rashes. But more serious effects can also occur, such as kidney or hearing problems. If you feel dizzy, notice you are hearing less, or have trouble urinating, contact your doctor immediately. Remember that you should never take amikacin without a prescription from a healthcare professional. In short, amikacin is an effective medicine for treating serious bacterial infections, but it must be used carefully. Always follow your doctor's instructions and be aware of possible side effects. I hope this video has been helpful. Take care.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.